All right, YouTube, welcome back to another overview, different opportunity this evening. It is the 18th of October. It's 6:45 Pacific, 9:45 p.m. Eastern. Good to have you all with me. I sure hope this works. So I don't necessarily know that it works. For those of you guys watching on replay, this is live. Apparently, I'm live. I'm hoping I'm live, and I'm hoping that anybody in the comment section can let me know, I should say, that you guys can hear me and see my screen, all that good stuff. I haven't done this in a substantial amount of time in terms of a live. I usually post videos, but not live. So hopefully you guys are on here. Today we are going to talk about something that I will not mention on my paid platform. This is just for YouTube subscribers. This is for YouTube viewers. And this is on Pound Aussie. I have an interesting opportunity, a decent idea that I like, and I want to share it with all of you, and hopefully you guys can do your own analysis and then make a decision from there. But me personally, I like this opportunity, and I'm going to deem this the trade of the week, or the opportunity of the week, I should say, here on Pound Aussie. So with that said, guys, I'm on the 1 hour chart. If you care to kind of follow along where I'm at, this is Pound Aussie 1 hour chart. And I just first of all want to get a little bit of feedback from you guys. What do you guys think this chart has been doing since the 10th of September down here? Has this chart been bullish, bearish, or sideways? What do you think is the general direction of this market? Let me know in the comment section, because that really has everything to do with the start of this and in terms of the start of this analysis. So with that said, I think the first answer that you guys should all have is bullish. This market has been working in an uptrend over the course basically of the last month and a half. And you guys know me. I'm not in the game to reverse trend. If a market is bullish, you guys have seen this time in and time out on US 30, I will just continue to buy. I will never look to sell. If a market is bearish, I will never ever look to do the opposite. So in this case, what do you think I'm going to be doing? Obviously, I'm going to be looking to buy. I'm never looking to do the reverse. So I'm not trying to find a reversal here. I'm, in fact, just trying to find the perfect dip in order to actually get involved in the market. No different than any other trade you guys have seen me talk about. So with that said, I want to point out one thing before we begin. Look at this high right here on Pound Aussie. This is the 1 hour time frame. And let me just circle that. What happened here? What do we see? First thing you guys may notice is that this white line acted right here as a level of what we call, for those of you guys that are beginners, we call this, I'm going to put R here, resistance. Now resistance acts a lot like a ceiling in which a market rallies, hits a certain point, and then pulls back. So you can see it, rallies, hits this point, something happens here, pulls way back down. For over, let's see, what day was this? 28th of September, all the way until October 1st, the market kept going down. Then suddenly it hits this level, starts trudging back up. This is our setup. Why is this our setup? Anytime I see a market break resistance and then come back in, it tells me that there are significant sellers here, but there were buyers enabled to get through that level. And typically what happens is the market will do this breakout, it'll pull back, and then it'll go higher. The question is, and the reason of this video, and the answer of this video today, is where do we pull back to? And how can we get long on this pair? How can we buy Pound Aussie? So to keep this short, sweet, simple, and to the point, here's my plan of attack, personally, on Pound Aussie. First of all, I have to recognize this high. This is a very important high. I also have to recognize this low. So I'm going to circle all the important points that I see. Right now on this chart, there are 4 important points. Now, first things first, you guys already answered the first question of the day, which is half the battle. Is this market bullish or is it bearish? And we all answered together. This market has generally been bullish over the course of the last month and a half. Now, as this market has worked its way up, this has created what we call a 3-swing external sequence, for those of you guys that have studied my material in the advanced course. With that said, what we do is we identify these points as external points. These external points start down here as a level of origin. Up here, this level is 1. Down here, this level is 2. Now the question becomes is it symmetrical, this swing to this swing? Is that symmetrical? So let's check. What we have to do is we have to grab our Fibonacci expansion level, and we simply draw from origin to 1, back down to 2. And that is going to give us a 1 level right there. That 1 level is telling us where the price would have to be right here in order to be symmetrical. So what do you guys think? Are we symmetrical? Yes or no? Is this market symmetrical? Yes or no as we speak? Has it met this 100 level? Now the answer is no. Why? We only got to this level. We needed to get all the way up here in order to be called symmetrical. So that gap, what do you guys guess that gap is? That gap here is potential. That is what we are after. That is our goal. What is our goal? We've already identified where we will eventually be trying to take profit. Now, what we haven't identified is where we would buy, or say where we'd put our risk or stop loss. So me personally, I'm going to talk through where I personally am going to buy Pound Aussie, and I'm looking at Pound Aussie right now. Now I'm going to get rid of all those little dotted lines here. Guess I don't have to get rid of them. Give me one sec. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom into this area here. This is this high area, and I'm going to go down to the 15-minute chart. And I want you guys to take a quick look at the 15-minute chart. We saw this high get hit. The market hasn't come back since. Obviously, we have sellers at this level. Now, with that said, why is that important to us? Well, we are looking at a pullback. Obviously, in a bullish market, you want to buy in a pullback. So now I'm looking at, again, the same idea that we just talked about on the hour in terms of trying to find these important points. Right here, this is called external. Origin, 1, 2, and take profit as external 3. Now we are searching for what is called internal. Origin, 1, 2, and of course 3. So we're going to do that. So I'm jumping in here, and I'm looking for internal. Origin, 1, 2, and 3. Well, the internal origin is always, in a bullish market, the high of the chart. So we know the answer there. This is our origin up here at this high. As we come down, right here, you see a 0.1. Market pulls back, you see a 0.2. Now let's take some time and measure. And again, I want you to answer me this question. Based off of the 100 level, now we're talking about to the downside, has the market hit this level? Yes or no? Yes or no? Has the market hit the level? Yes or no? No. The market has not come down and hit that 1 point. Aha. Now the opportunity presents. So we know on a 1 hour time frame, bullish wise, we have not met, okay, we zoom all the way out, we have not met this take profit level. We zoom in to the 15-minute. We have not met the entry level. With that said, from this swing low, swing high here, for those of you guys that have studied my material, this could be the first golden zone trade you have ever seen in real time if you have learned through the platform. So with that said, now you should know, based off what I'm telling you, exactly where you should be looking to enter the market, where you should be looking to put your stop loss, and where you should be looking to take profit. Now, if you're brand new and you don't understand these terminologies, lucky for you is tomorrow we will discuss this in the live room tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, where we will talk exactly about the points via DeLorean Shadow. So if you're just here on YouTube, make sure that tomorrow you attend that live room so you can get the exact measurements from origin 1 to 2 all the way to take profit. And you can read the levels. All you got to do is do a little digging and you can read exactly what I'm showing you. And tomorrow we'll talk about entry level, stop loss level, target level, risk to reward, the whole 9 yards. This trade right here is just presenting itself now. We are at a reset point in the market. The reason I say we're at a reset point in the market is if we were to go over to the dollar index, okay, we right now, as we speak, are at a level that is going to dictate what we're going to do over the course of the next coming weeks. As you can see, the dollar index just completed a 1 level. So with that said, this is going to be a crucial week for all of our success because we are at a level right now across the market that I like to call a verdict point where things can change fast. This could be a week based off of what I am seeing where there could be up to 5 shadow trades this week alone based off what I'm seeing right now. The market is at a level where if it turns just 1 inch the wrong way, okay, I'm talking metaphorically now, not literally an inch, but you know what I mean. If the market moves just a little bit in the wrong way, we will have a ton of opportunities in our hands. So those of you guys that are not yet inside, make sure you get Shadow. It can be found by just logging in im.center. Okay, log in like normal. Once you log in, hop on over to Shadow by going to Strategies, going to DeLorean. Once you click DeLorean, go to Strategies, drop down Shadow, open it up. Here we are, Shadow. Okay, guys, so with that said, if you guys do want more videos like this, whether it be live like this or whether it be a video recorded and posted, 3 things I should say. First of all, let me know in the comment section. Second of all, hit that like button. And third of all, if you don't have a YouTube account, click that subscribe button so you get notifications for upcoming videos. If you enjoy stuff like this, I will make more. So let me know in the comment section. Click that like button. There's currently 109 likes on this video. Let's get it to 150. I thank you all so much. Hopefully this gave you some insight on what's coming for the week. And I am excited to see you guys all tomorrow morning so I can break down this entire trade, entry level, stop loss level, and take profit level, so you guys have all of that available at your disposal. Okay, guys? So with that said, I'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern. Do not miss tomorrow morning's session. God bless. And